If you're looking to use Unicode for fitness and wellness QR codes, you'll want to stick around because while it's a solid option, there are a few things you need to know before committing plus. I'll show you some better alternatives at the end with an extended free trial just for our viewers. So, Unicode lets you create dynamic QR codes for gyms, yoga studios, or personal training programs, great for contactless check-ins, digital class schedules, or even nutrition guides. It's fast, but is it the best option? Let's break it down. First, Unicode makes QR code creation easy. You can generate codes for PDFs, links, or social media pages with just a few clicks. The interface is simple, which is great if you're just getting started. But customization is a bit limited compared to other platforms, so if you want branded QR codes that fully match your fitness brand, you might find it lacking. Next, analytics. Unicode tracks scans in real time, showing location, device type, and timestamps. If you're running a fitness promotion, this can help refine your marketing. But the deeper audience insights some competitors offer, like heat maps and engagement tracking, are missing here. Then, integrations. Unicode works with Google Analytics and CRMs, which is useful for gyms managing memberships. But if you're looking for automation, like automatically sending follow-up texts when someone scans a QR code for a free trial, other platforms handle this better. Another thing is pricing. Unicode starts affordable, but premium features like advanced analytics and branding lock you into higher tier plans. If you just need basic QR codes for class schedules or equipment guides, you might be overpaying for features you won't use. Now, if you're serious about using QR codes for fitness and wellness in a way that actually drives more engagement, bookings, and memberships, there are better options. We've listed them in the description, each with a free trial, plus an exclusive extended trial for one of the best alternatives. If you want the best value, check them out before you commit to Unicode.